This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. All of our friends are here. Come on. Finders seekers.
John's a biscuit, Mossy.
Mossy.
I think she knows where they are.
Hello, Mossy.
Look, biscuit.
Rattle it, Tim.
Sit. Sit, Mossy.
Good girl, Mossy.
Ready and take.
Yeah. Good girl, Mossy.
Good girl.
Good girl, Mossy. Now, Tim, please wash your hands.
Oh, yes.
Mummy's gone out, so Grandma's looking after us. Carrie, Ray and Tony Welch are here, and we're all playing with Mossy the dog.
So what do you want to play next with Mossy?
Let's play doggy football outside.
Oh, she loves playing in the garden.
Yes, let's play fetch with her ball.
Or we could teach us some tricks.
I know. Doggy racing. Meow. What do you want to play, Mossy? Mossy?
Where's Mossy?
Mossy?
Where is she?
Where's she gone? Shh, shh. Did you hear that?
It was coming from that big box. Oh, it's Mossy. Oh, she was hiding in the big box.
She was playing hide and seek.
That's what we should play hide and seek. Yay! I love playing hide and
We're
seek.
going to play hide and seek. Yay.
I'll be the first to seek with Mossy. Is that okay, Grandma?
Yes, good idea. Now, everybody hide. Go on.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I come, ready or not. Is he in here, Mossy? Is anyone in here? No. Found you, Tim.
Oh, that was too quick.
Can you help me find the others, please?
Yes.
Let's look upstairs. Have a good sniff around, Mossy.
Shh, shh. There's someone under there, Mossy. There's someone under there.
It's Tony!
Got you.
That's not fair. Mossy helped you. Dogs are too good at seeking.
You're right. I'll go and take her back down to Grandma. Come on, Mossy.
You can help me find Ray and Carrie, Tony.
Okay.
Let's look in Mummy and Dad's room.
You can't play hide and seek anymore. You're just too good at finding people. Sorry. Grandma, please can you look after Mossy for me?
Yes, I'll make sure she stays with me.
She's just too good at finding people.
Have fun.
Thanks, Grandma. Oh. Hi, Carrie. Found you.
I found Carrie for you, Topsy. Great, but where's Ray?
Oh, I don't know.
I saw him running upstairs, Topsy.
Oh, we're coming.
Go on, Tim.
Come on, Carrie.
Come on. Where did Tim find you, Kerry? I was hiding in the big box, Topsy.
It was such a good hiding place.
I wish I'd thought of hiding in the big box. Let's go and find Ray now.
Okay. We've looked everywhere. I give up.
Me too. I think we've looked everywhere.
I know who could help. Mossy! She can help us find him. Is that okay if Mossy joins the game again, Tony?
Okay. Yay! Yes.
Great. I'll go get her. Mossy is the best at finding seekers, and I know her nose will help us find Ray.
Mossy leads us to the bathroom.
Oh, we should have looked in the bathroom. Ray, are you in there?
If I say yes, have I won?
Yes.
Yes, I am the winner. Well done, Mossy. Let's play hide and seek again. And Ray, you can seek this time. Yeah. Come on, Mossy, you can hide with me. Hey, I can't open the door. What?
Will somebody help me, please?
Try tickling the locky thing. Sometimes it gets a bit stiff. Doesn't it, Tim? It still won't open.
Oh no, you're stuck, Ray.
I'm okay. I'm just locked in the bathroom. But can somebody get me out, please?
Don't worry, Ray. I'll get Grandma to help. Grandma!
Can you see us, Ray?
Sort of. Not really.
Don't worry, Ray. My dad's a firefighter and he can get anyone out of anywhere.
Good. Please keep talking to me through the door.
And if he has to, he can chop down the door with an axe. Wow, cool!
Oh, excuse me, everyone. Sorry, Kerry.
Grandma.
Can you hear me, Ray? It's Grandma Odell here.
Yes, I can hear you.
Just wiggle the lock a bit.
It's stuck.
Joy, is that you?
Mummy!
I think you better come upstairs.
Everything all right?
I told Mummy that Ray was in the bathroom and he was stuck and he tried jiggling the lock. He still can't get out.
Okay, all right. Hold on. Ray, are you okay in there?
Yes, thank you. But can you please get me out?
Yes, of course I will.
We'll help you, Ray.
Yes, we will. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Topsy, will you go and get my toolbox, please?
Yes, Mummy.
So, Mummy took the handle off the bathroom door.
Ah, yeah, nearly there. Oops. Topsy, could you hold these screws for me? Thank you. And Tim, can you hold the handle for me? Thank you. Right, let's see if this works. Are you ready, Ray?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
I'm out.
good.
Oh, goodness me.
Where
Right.
should I put the screws?
We'll give them back to me and we'll see if we can get this fixed. Oh, what an adventure.
That'll be Dad. Come on, Tim.
Hello.
Hey, Dad.
Hey.
We tell Dad about our hide and seek game.
And that Ray got locked in the bathroom. But Mossy found him and Mummy got him out.
Oh, well done, team. And well done, Mossy.
And that's when Dad said, our new house will be even bigger for playing hide and seek.
Our new house will be even bigger for playing hide and seek, Topsy and Tim.
I know, and we'll have a downstairs toilet and a bathroom upstairs. Yeah.
So try not to get locked in those, Ray.
And that's their Grandma was that.
So where else were you hiding today?
Hello. Are you good at remembering?
Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play.
Today, we played Finders Seekers with our friends. But can you remember who got locked in the bathroom? Was it Kerry?
Or was it Ray? answer is Ray.
Watch this.
Can you hold the screws for me? Thank
There are
you.
4 of them.
And Tim, can you hold the handle for me? Thank you. Right, let's see if this works. Are you ready, Ray?
Yes.
Okay. Oh,
I'm out.
Are you okay? Good.
Great game.
That was good fun.
See you soon. We can play